Hello everyone, Swati here. I'm thrilled to have you join me today on my channel. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or brand new to the channel, I'm excited to share some incredible content with you about solar energy. Solar energy is power we get from the sun. It's clean, renewable, and abundant. We can capture this energy using solar panels and other devices. Solar power helps reduce pollution and our reliance on fossil fuels. It's used to generate electricity, heat water, and run things like homes and businesses. Plus, it's great for remote areas where traditional power sources may not reach. Overall, it's a green and sustainable way to meet our energy needs. Solar panels have special materials that turn sunlight into electricity. When sunlight hits the panels, it makes tiny particles called electrons move around. These moving electrons create an electric current, which is like a flow of energy. This electricity can then be used to power things like lights, TV, and other devices in our homes. So, in simple terms, solar panels capture sunlight and change it into electricity that we can use. Solar energy is clean and renewable, meaning it doesn't produce pollution like fossil fuels do. This helps keep our planet healthy and fights climate change. Solar energy can power various devices, from lights to entire homes, making it like having your own personal power station. Solar energy is everywhere, accessible as long as there's sunlight. Installing solar panels can lead to significant savings on electricity bills and even earn credits for extra power generated. The primary method for capturing solar energy is through solar panels. These panels, made of photovoltaic cells, convert sunlight into electricity through the photovoltaic effect. They are typically installed on rooftops or open areas to receive direct sunlight. Solar water heaters utilize solar thermal collectors to heat water for residential and industrial use. There are portable solar chargers for phones and gadgets, as well as solar-powered lights for outdoor use, which directly capture sunlight and convert it into usable energy. Running a car solely on solar power without a battery? Yes, it is possible to use solar panels to power a car, either by directly charging a battery or by powering the car's electrical systems while driving. However, running a car solely on solar power without a battery is not currently feasible for practical transportation purposes. Many modern electric and hybrid cars incorporate solar panels into their design to help charge the battery while the car is parked or in motion. These panels typically don't provide enough power to directly run the car's motor but can supplement the battery charging, extending the vehicle's range. Solar-powered cars that use batteries are more practical. Solar panels on the car's roof or body can charge the battery while the vehicle is parked or driving, providing additional range or reducing the need for grid charging. However, these cars still rely on battery storage to provide the necessary power to drive the car. Running a car solely on solar power without a battery is challenging due to the variable nature of sunlight and the inconsistent power output of solar panels. A car needs a continuous and consistent power source to operate efficiently, which solar panels alone cannot provide. Additionally, the power demands of driving a car may exceed what solar panels can generate directly. In summary, while solar panels can contribute to the power needs of a car, they typically work in conjunction with a battery rather than replacing it entirely. Running a car solely on solar power without a battery is currently not practical for mainstream transportation. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, or informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.